What's up, guys? Mike with Energy Creative, and there's one thing that is, I can pretty much say is certain. If you're looking for a Sea-Doo mount, I've got many different styles available, but this one here, you're not gonna break it. You're gonna break your selfie pole before you break this mount. That is a certain. This thing is incredibly strong. It's designed for the 36 millimeter, the big diameter stick, and it holds it secure. It comes complete with a secure strap, which also adds extra stability to that pole. So not only is it down inside the hull, anchored in stainless steel screws, but it also has the secure strap, which adds extra stability to keep that pole where it needs to go. So I know you guys are spending a lot of money on your cameras. It's Christmas time. People are going to be buying you those 360 cameras and so on, or maybe you're buying it for yourself. Don't trust it to some flimsy mount. Get something that's proven. These are on hundreds, if not thousands of skis out there. Guys, Energy Creative, if you can't make up your mind right now, I do have gift certificates available. They're instant and you can purchase later. And once you purchase, I ship the next day. Nobody else can say that.